Social Studies. It is Political Science. The chapter name is The Problems of India and Their Solutions. The problems which are given in your reader is all the problems which I have written on the board. I am going to write it. I am going to say one by one the problem. First problem is unemployment, discrimination, corruption, terrorism, communalism, and corporate strategies. But what I think personally is that the very important problem is the population. Our India is standing second place in the world for the population. Second place, second rank in the population. So which is the first one? China is the first place. So first is China, and it is about 139 crores of people are there in China. Second place is India, and it is having 136 crores. But if we see the population of China, it is more than India. Still, China is a well-developed country. So many things we are buying, made in China, made in China, made in China we are buying. Whatever your mobiles are, their app, that is TikTok app, that app, this app, everything is coming from China. Why? Because China is ruled by the king. Okay, king is looking after the people in such a way that he is emphasizing, more emphasization is given on the education. Each and every people in China are educated, and education in their own mother tongue. That is fetching them the job wherever they go, because they are educated ones. That is, education is primary, what to call it, as the need of the China. Everyone will be getting education over there, and everyone has to be educated. So in our India, what we are having is that we can say that the population is the first, what to call it, as the criteria. Second one we can say that is lack of education. Compare the education, what to call it, rate in China and India. What we will find it out? That is more. That is, to each and every remote village of India, education is not there. Though now we are taking interest and schools are there, but sometimes what happens, the parents, where in the villages they have the field and all, they don't want the children to send to the schools. They will use them as a child labor in their field for working purpose, because they want to, what is their thinking is that whatever the forefathers were doing the same work, let the child continue. That is what their thinking is. So they are not giving importance to the education. Education is very important, so that what will happen, whatever the problems are, they can be solved very easily. Sitting together, thinking about it, so many solutions can be brought about regarding the, what to call it, as education, and education is a must. Nowadays we are telling education is must for the girls, education is must for the boys, but still in some of the remote villages the education is not there. Education is not given properly. Now let us China and India we took. Let us compare the America, Australia. They are having less, what to call it, as a population. Okay, so due to the population control is there in America, Australia, England and all. And there what is happening? So if the population decrease in population takes place, the number of people will become less. So what will happen? There will be no, what to call it as, unemployment won't be there. All will get the job and all will be leading a very happy life. And education will be given to all of them. That is very important. So that means that is why they are called as well-developed countries. They are forward in each and every field. Okay, education field you take, technology field you take, sports field you take. In each and every field they are, what to call it, they are moving with leaps and bounds. What is the reason? Why? Because population is less and government is able to take care of each and every person in that country. They are giving facilities for each and every person in the country. Importance for each and every person in the country. What for our India? People are more. Whatever we have, the resources is very less. And that resources to be given to all the people, it becomes difficult. So here what will happen? Survival of the fittest, the Darwin theory will come. Who can survive? They can stay over here. They can earn more. Others, they will be, they will be in such a, such a bad condition that they won't be able to get food properly, clothing properly. They won't be able to send their children to the school. That is what is happening over here. But see, if you open the ancient India, the history of the ancient India, Chandragupta Maurya, his era was called as a golden era. Why they got the name as golden era? Because that time population control was there and kings were there, and really what I feel is that kings will look after their people, their welfare, everything will be seen by the king. And Chandragupta Maurya was such a good king. He used to see that each and every people in his kingdom are happy. And he used to go night times in a disguise to find out what people are talking, what people need. That is very important over here. And India, what is happening? So many parties are there. So many leaders are there. They will give their manifesto. You know already what is meant by manifesto. They will give their manifesto. They promise each year when the election comes, we will do like this, we will do like that, we will do like this. But it will be on the paper only. Nothing will come in the action. It is very important. That is why what will happen? What is happening? So many problems India is facing. First, very important for us is the control of population. That knowledge should be given to the people. Why control of population? What happens due to that? What are the advantages of controlling the population? And what are all things India will get, and how we can also become one of the well-developed country. Our name can be taken by other countries and we can also become popular. So that is what I feel, that population is a very important factor due to which all these problems are born due to the population. Now let us see what are the problems we are facing due to population. These are the general problems what we are facing due to population. Drinking water. Okay, first of all, on our earth only, seawater is more than the rivers, streams. Rivers and streams only will give us a drinking water. Then your bore wells are there, wells are there. Now we won't find wells also. Tube wells or bore wells are there. That is under tableland water. So the drinking water percentage is very less on our earth itself. So in our India we will find the population growth is more. So the drinking water problem we are facing more. What is happening? We won't get the rainfall in time. So the rivers and streams won't be filled with the water. And due to that, the table, underland table, whatever the water resources there, that also won't be there because rainfall is not sufficient. Due to that, the scarcity of water is there. And as the drinking percentage of people are more and the water resource what we are getting is very less, so sometimes we may have to face the water scarcity. In Tamil Nadu and all, during the summer season, you will see for one pot of drinking water, they may have to spend 100, 200 or 300 rupees for that, standing in a line to get the water. That is what the drinking water scarcity is there in our India, because the resource is less. Why the resource is less? Main cause is your rainfall. Okay. So why rainfall? Okay, why rainfall is less? Why we are facing this rainfall? Because as the population growth is more, the dwelling place for the human being is needed. So we started to clear the forests. When the forest, whatever the natural resource we have, its percentage started decreasing. So what happened? The rainfall became less, because forest is the main, because we know plants in the daytime what they will do, they will take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen and water. That water only, whatever is there, will go up into the air and form the clouds. So the trees attracts the clouds and makes the rain to fall. And if trees are there, the soil erosion won't be there. So the soil will remain intact with its fertility. That is what the rainfall we are facing the problem due to clearance of the forest for making the dwelling place for the people. More the people, more the dwelling area we require. Then we have the sewage treatment. So many houses, so many waste is there, garbage is there. Where to dump? If you dump anywhere, it will create a disease and it will become like corona is like that. It may become pandemic and epidemic diseases may become. So that also we the people only have to fight for it due to the sewage treatment. So that is what the problems we are facing in India. Sewage treatment proper is not there, and people also are. What is happening that people are also not educated. If a garbage is to be thrown into the whatever the kept for that, they won't put inside that, they'll be throwing outside somewhere else. That is why what the government started to do, they started to send the what you call it as for garbage collection, that is wet garbage and dry garbage to be separated out. That is the reason why for what sewage treatment. But still we have insufficient sewage treatment. The rainfall, just now I told you, pollution. As the people percentage is more according to the population, what will happen? The vehicles will come on the road more. And you know that burning of the fuel. Okay, so what will happen when the fuel burns, the whatever the byproduct will come out, it will come out the carbon dioxide in the form of the smoke, which will add up into the environment, and that is increasing the air pollution. And due to that carbon dioxide becoming more in the air, what happens, you know? Greenhouse effect. What is greenhouse effect? The carbon dioxide won't go into the atmosphere completely. It will be in between the atmosphere and the land part. So what happens? The heat increases, and that is what global warming will come. And it is said that if the global warming like this will increase, whatever the glacier part, whatever the ice caps are there near the North Pole and the South Pole, they will start melting, and some of the countries and some of the part of the world will be submerged into the water. That is what the pollution is creating now. Then the next one is the depletion of natural resources. We are doing coal mining, gold mining. Now KGF gold mining is there. It stopped there. Why? Whatever the natural resource was there in the KGF, all we have taken out. There is nothing left in that, what to call it as a mine. Means we are using unlimited. It is what type of a resource it is? It is a non-renewable resources which cannot be replenished, which cannot be again got it back. It will take lakhs of years to get it back. Same way the coal. You know how the coal is formed? A part of the land with vegetation and animals. What will happen when earthquake or a volcano occurs? It will go inside the earth, and thousands of years it will take for all that whatever the plant to get degraded and to become into coal. And that coal resources also we are using, petroleum resources. All these are non-renewable resources. So we are facing the depletion of natural resources. We have to find out alternate energy resources for this. And all these whatever the general problems are there we are facing due to population, that has led to your major problems, which is the unemployment. First problem. What is this unemployment? Where the people are not getting the job. Even they are graduates, master degrees with them, then also they are not getting the job. Imagine, let us take one example for that. Okay. Suppose 100 candidates are there. who have applied for a job where 50 candidates are needed. So what will happen? In that 100 candidates who are capable and who can pass the interview and whatever the written exam is there, whatever the Viva is there, whatever the oral exam is, they will get. What about the next 50 members? They won't get. Like this way, in each area, some of the members are not getting job at all. So there the number is increasing one by one, one by one, one by one. So what is happening? Today a big question mark is there before the unemployment. Though the government is trying its level best to occupy the people in different areas by making them to have their self-employment like this, by giving them some resources so that they can start their own self-business. But that is also not enough. Still, what is happening? We are facing the problem of unemployment due to this. Second one is discrimination. We are discriminating. Our India is unity in diversity. So many, religious people are there, so many castes are there, so many things are there. So what is happening over here is that the discrimination is being done over here. And even between the girls and the boys. Though today girls are sufficient to do all types of work, but still discrimination is there. Oh, this is a girl, this work she can't do. Let us give this work to the boy. So what will happen? One girl will be facing the unemployment. Like this way, in so many areas, so many fields, the same problem is there. So that is what is happening due to the discrimination. Corruption. A very, very, like a snake, like a poison it is, which is spreading all over very fast. Corruption. Okay. So, lancha, what we tell in Kannada. It is said that for any work, whether it is small work to be done by a clerk, or whether it is a big work to be done by the higher authorities, everywhere you go, the money you have to spend, under table money that is. Okay, what is that? The corruption, extra money. Why this is happening? Because whatever the position they are working, they are not getting sufficient salary. And family is there. And in that family, children, wife, everyone will be there. They have to look after them. Even the old parents will be there. And the demands will become more. And to cope up with the demand, what they will do, they will start asking the money to do a small work also. That is how the corruption is born. That is called the corruption. Then communalism. Communalism means what? A particular sector will be there. In that some people will be there, and what they do, they will think about their development only. Won't see won't allow others to develop. That is what communalism. Corporate strategy, business strategies. We will see that Ambani's, their business strategies are there. They are growing up and up and up. Every time, one or the other thing, they will bring some new things to the world, and due to that they will get the name, fame, money, everything. That is the business strategies are there, which are what? Not proportionate, improportionate it is. Okay, so that is what creating that are the bigger problems of India, and how we are going to solve these problems. Each one of the problem I will discuss later on, and we will see why this problem has come, what is the reason behind this problem, and what solutions we can find out for this problem. So that is what I think, that population is the main problem, and due to this population, all these as the problems arise. So population, we can call it as the mother of all this as problems. So I will end my video over here. Thank you, children. Goodbye, children.